Cum e pe tiskat, ja. Am lahko spucal. Hvala lepa. So, fuck, it's hot. I mean, Lord, whatever you're baking, let me tell you, it's fucking done. But we are on the sea in vacation, and it's supposed to be hot. Anyway, dun, 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 dun. Repainted. That's our summer house washer, and it's been working flawlessly for more than 30 years. But of course, this sea wind and everything got it, and the summer storm got it, so this is broken. And because of that salty wind, everything gets rusty, and I took the motor out and re-lubed the bearings and on the pump the seals, so it will get a little bit of lifting Botox. Hvala lepa. My favorite cleaning tool, but not for the teeth. What I was saying, also this thing, it's totally broken. What is it called? Stoßdämpfer. Shock absorbers. Jesus. So this is also broken, and I need to go with the ferry to the land and find a new one. That's gonna be funny to find a spare part for a German washing machine. Ovdje imamo samo gorenje, končar, obodin I tako. Šta imate to? Vi što je ovo nešto njemačko, švabe? Oh my god. So, just long story short. So, I will also, because this is broken, I will combine it with some seashells here, and the whole design will be in like marine style. So, hopefully, it will turn out beautifully. Ha! Well, my fingers are burned from the hot glue and everything. But Ojris could help. Jesus. I think it's done. So tomorrow, new shock absorbers, nuovi ammortizzatori, and he's ready to go for many more years, huh? So, meine Liebe. So, we took the boat out, and I went to the service center like in a very optimistic way, like the real Slovenian guy. And I got new one. Look, I mean, I got both of them, like two, and they're like not for Bosch, but for Miele. So it's immer besser. It's even better than for Bosch, and I cannot believe that I got the spare parts for a German washing machine in the middle of Zadar. It's perfect. And now I can go back and repair our beautiful machine. So my mother will be happy and I can... Karczmę zagrało 5 komat. Ale go mam. That's good.